what are the parameters or tests that we can find in the vital signs? You know what are the vital signs? Height is a vital sign. Weight is a vital sign. Body mass is a vital sign.
Temperature
Temperature is a vital sign. Systolic blood pressure is a vital sign. Diastolic blood pressure is a vital sign.
dissolved oxygen.
Respiration is a vital sign. And then pulse rate is a vital sign. In recent studies, even dissolved oxygen is also has become one of the vital signs. Generally, these 8 parameters comes under vital signs: height, weight, BMI, temperature, Swiss BP, diabetes, respiration, and pulse rate. Maybe we may not collect height for every visit, but for every visit we are going to collect the temperature, Swiss, diabetes, respiration, pulse rate, dissolved oxygen, sometimes surface area. We are going to collect all this information. As I said, put this information on the CRF sheet for almost all the visits, and now we are going to put this information into BS data. BS is such a very important because if your vitals are normal, that means you are doing good. And if your vital signs are deviating from the normalcy, that means something is wrong with you. Now, this information or vital signs comes under which class?
Findings.
And the domain that we are discussing is vital signs. And the label of the domain is vital signs. Now, what is the topic name, by the way? BS study. And what is the structure? The structure is going to be one record where a vital sign measurement per time point per visit per subject. For example, today they measured height one time. Right? Today the screening visit first time they measured height one time, and then weight also they measured one time. Right? And BMI also they calculated one time. But today 3 times, morning, afternoon, and in the night they measured the temperature 3 times. Swiss BP, diabetes they measured 3 times, morning, afternoon, in the night, and diabetes obviously is also going to be 3 times. And then respiration rate also they measured 3 times, and the pulse rate also just imagine they measured 3 times. Now how many observations I'm going to get for today for this subject? Now we are going to get 18 observations because the structure is one record per vital sign measurement per time point per visit per subject. And you know the purpose is going to be tabulation and the location is going to be BSA.XP. Now, once you've done that one, now what are the variables that we are going to have? You guys understood what are the variables that we have in the easy
Study ID.
If you know the variables, now we can understand what are the variables that we are going to have in the vital sign. The first variable is going to be study ID, and you know that this is a study identifier, character variable, required variable, and identifier variable. The second variable is going to be domain observation, character required, and identifier variable, and we are going to have value DSO because it's a vital sign. And the third variable is going to be USUDJID, unique subject identifier. And then definitely there is going to be multiple observations for one subject. Then what we are going to have now? BS sequence. Now, yesterday again there was an interview. Can you tell me how we are going to derive sequence number? This is the question they asked us. How we derive the sequence number?
First, we need to sort out the Oxford procedure with the by variable or use subject type in your study ID or subject. And after that, in the
Come again. We are going to sort the study ID, use subject ID.
Start out.
You have to sort by date variable because within the subject I want to have only the latest observation last. You have to sort by any date. Adversation point ASCD is to sort just now. Okay. Communication point CMSD is to sort just now. The same easy point ECD is to sort just now. So you need to sort by under the use subject by date variable because we have to keep the in order. Then by writing the same variables in the I statement of the data step, writing a return statement. So we derive the sequence number. And then ask how we can derive the day variable in Ethereum. How we derive the day variable?
STTTC minus RF STTTC plus 1. If it is greater than
any common work any DTC MSDTC about to DMDTC about 0 DTC about to DTC greater than or equal to
RF STTTC,
RF STTTC, then DY is equal to range of DY is equal
RF STTTC plus 1.
any DTC minus RF STTTC
Plus 1.
plus 1. Else DY is equal to DTC minus RF
RF STTTC.
Can you please write today's date and time in ISO format? This is the third question they asked. You know the date in ISO format or India. Like the time is out of 34 minutes in tell me in ISO format 2023
hyphen 05 capital T capital T
colon symbol 34
00.
This is how they asked. And then they asked what the difference between RF facilities and RFX facilities. This is how they are going to ask it. Understand? Okay. Again, after BS sequence, the next 3 variables are going to be grouping polymer, means study ID, then we are going to have BS reference ID, then we are going to have BS sponsor ID. All 3 are permissible variables, all 3 are character variables, and all 3 are identifier variables. Then we are going to have a topic variable. What is the topic variable? BS. What kind of values we are going to find in test state? Temperature को नहीं तेचंడి temp అనుకుంది soil pressure को नहीं तेचंడి Swiss BP diastolic pressure को नहीं तेचा diabetes అనుకుంది special को RESP BMI को BMI height వచ్చేసి height అనే ఉంటుంది weight వచ్చేసి weight అనుకుంది ఇలా పట్టేసి లైక్ so how we are going to have test codes. What it is a topic variable, it is a character variable, and it is a required variable. Topic, character, required variable. Generally, if you get any question from the vital signs, this is the question: what are the test codes that we can find in the vital signs? And after the test code, we are going to have the next variable, BS test. Full form of the code test. Temperature, systolic. Systolic.
subcategory?
BS category.
Category.
Then we are going to have a BS subcategory. Both are grouping qualifiers. Now, I have seen only one time what is the difference between group ID and category. Group ID is also group together all the observations comes under one subject, and the category also is going to group together what is the difference between group ID and category. Remember, I have a data set here. Data set name unde each and every student name unde. Say for example, student name unde, then subject unde, and then marks unde. Just imagine student name, subject, marks. If data sort చేసినప్పుడు పై సబ్జెక్ట్ రాసాను అనుకోండి, ఎలా సార్ట్ అవుతుంది డేటా? Irrespective of the student, all the English observation is going to come as one group, Maths observation as one group, Science as one group, Social as one. Okay. Now tell me, if I sorted the data by student name and then under a subject, how the data is going to get sorted?
Within the student name, subject will be 50%.
ఎలా data sort అవుతుంది? First student name sort అవుతుందండి. Say for example, Suresh as student అనుకోండి, first student within the student అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు. All the
Subject.
Very good. Now group ID is going to sort the data within the subject, which means within the student in this scenario. But category, irrespective of the student, the data will get sorted. The E scenario, irrespective of the subject, the data is going to get sorted across the subject account. And group ID data అవుతుందండి within the subject. Understand? And one more important thing, we will decide how we need to sort the data before collecting the data in category. But after collecting the data only, we are going to take the group ID. So these are the two differences between group ID and category. So group ID is going to group together observation under the one subject, within the subject, but category across the subjects also can do it. And again, group ID is identifier variable, category is a grouping qualifier. After category and subcategory, we are going to have a result qualifier. So what is the first result variable that we are going to have? BS or RES.
Or RES.
Results are findings in original units. Results are findings in original units. Expected variable, factor variable. And then we are going to have BSO or RESU, original results. Now, we have a use subject ID. We have a BS test, and then we have test CD, and we have a BSO or RES, and then we have BSO or RESU. Use subject 101. Now, it is a multi-center study. In Hyderabad test center, they collected the height, and they collected this height like this one. They collected the height in centimeters, so it is 167 centimeters. And what is RESU?
Centimeters.
When they conducted the clinical trial in Delhi for subject 102, even they also collected the height, but they collected the height in inches, so it was like 5 inches, 5 feet to 10 inches. So that means the same test in different labs, they collected the units differently. But when you're submitting the result to the FDA, you should submit uniform method. The same test, what amount centimeters collect చేశారు, ఇంకొక collect చేశారు, inches collect చేశారు, so we have an inequality, but when you're submitting, you have to submit a uniform method. And again, in one lab they collected the weight in kilograms, in another lab they collected the weight in LPS pounds. And in one lab in India, we collect the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. In US, they collect in degrees centigrade. Understand this one? So the same test, but we collect in different units. Whatever the unit that you collect in the CRF sheet, that information is going to have ORRES, and ORRES is the units. But while submitting, you have to submit according to the protocol specified units. But in the protocol, say for example, they ask that everybody must submit in centimeter. Now, is already centimeters not a problem? What I'm going to put the results in which variable now? BS, ST, REST. Results are findings in standard units and standard. For the variable, BS, ST, REST, PS. So here not a problem. We are going to have the same 167 because already we collected the centimeters. They also require 167 centimeters, so we are going to return. But we need to convert this inches into centimeters now. Generally, in most of the companies, there is going to be separate in numerical coding. When they're entering the data from the CRF into the database, they will convert by using a conversion formula, and then convert it, they're going to store in a uniform manner. But sometimes they may not do that. When in the scenario, as a SAS programmer, you have to convert that. Understand this one? We are going to convert that one. So in the specification, they will provide you the conversion fact or conversion formula. By using that, we are going to convert it, and we are going to store again now in centimeters. Roughly, say for example, 171 or something. I'm writing 171 like this. Understand this one? So they will provide the conversion formula. The same way, from Fahrenheit to degree centigrade also, we are going to have 32 into 7.9 or something. By using the conversion formula, again we are going to convert the degrees in Fahrenheit into degree centigrade. But STRSC is going to have standard results in calculated data type. And what the next result we are going to have now?
Yes,
Yes, and here is the findings in standard units numerical. STRSC లో numerical value ఉంటుందండి, character data కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఒకసారి కొన్ని టెస్ట్ around the decimal depending class, negative, positive, reactive, non-reactive, absent, present. So STRSC is going to have both character and numerical, but we are going to convert only numerical value and we keep that into numerical value in numerical format in STRSC. But if you have a negative or positive here, but in this BS STRS, it is going to be null value. The standard units convert చేసే కదా next variable, we should write the standard units, which is BS STRA. 100 units. Remember, I told you in the last class, sometimes we are going to have BS over RES missing. When we have BS over RES missing, then which variable is going to have a value?
Flag. Status.
Yes.
Only model.
Status is going to have which value?
Entity.
When we are going to have entity?
When it is in
RES.
occur.
Then status is in the BS.
Nothing.
Reason? category subcategory అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రావాలి ఒక వేరియబుల్ ఉంటుంది. That variable is VS POS position. Position is very very important for vital signs. అంటే మెజర్మెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు either subject I told you what kind of values you can find in position.
Standing, sitting, supine.
That's supine. I can call obvious supine position ఉంటాం. Sorry, standing position ఉంటాం. And the remaining things also, but in some emergency cases, even we are calculating temperature, so the subject is going in supine position. It depends on the situation. We are going to have sitting, standing, or supine. After charts and reason are done, we are going to have VS location. Location is also important when it comes with the, when it comes with the vital signs measurement. Location, anatomical body part. From where we have measured the vital sign, it is an arm or hand or forehead. From wherever we collected this information, we are going to have the anatomical body part location. Then we have a next variable, VS laterality. If the location of the hand is in the body, is it left hand or right hand? Do we put any sample for vital signs? We don't require samples and all. Directly we are going to have VS PLF. Baseline flag. Tell me what is the definition for baseline flag?
The most non-missing value on or before treatment getting started.
If you answer this question already, you get one mark in eventually. The most recent non-missing value on or before treatment getting started. Which are observation that we have for observation. PLF is equal to what we are going to have? Why? Sometimes when we have a pre-treatment multiple observations, which observation that you have. So instead of taking any one observation, we are going to take the average of the previous observations. In the scenario, what are the variables we are going to have? Yes, sir. DRV, derivation flag. If derivation flag case are currently, generally we don't do that in this. Yes, we have a provision in the test area, but we don't do that when we take any one observation only. So, but if you derive a new observation, then DRF is equal to Y అవుతుంది. But the same observation DLF is equal to how many? Y. Tell them again do this one in SGDM. Then we are going to have a timing variables. Remember what were the timing variables that we have seen in the last class? The first one is we have visit term. Then we are going to have visit. Then we are going to have visit date. All these are protocol plans, but exactly what date and time we collected the information, we are going to have yes, PTC, date and time of vital sign measurement. Then what the next that we are going to have? Yes, TY. Study day of collection date. Study you will data and collection in vital sign measurement collection. The report is a date important, sample collection important. Which one is most important?
Sample collecting.
Sample collection date is most important. The result depends on but the collection is important, right? Okay. VSDY, study day of vital sign collection date or vital sign measurement. Then we are going to have 5 protocol planned timing variables. Remember what are the 5 protocol planned timing variables we have seen? TPT num. Yes, TPT.
TPT RF.
LTM. Yes, TPT reference.
RF.
Then we have RF TD.
RF TTC.
These are the 5 protocol planned timing variables that we are going to have. And these are the variables we are going to have in vital signs. This is the order set that we have with us for vital signs. We have a study how we can change that into study ID.
Study ID.
Subject, get the site ID, study ID, subject ID, we are going to convert that into, create into.
Use subject ID.
But test series only, test series changes any ఇప్పుడు BS test series.
BS test series. BS test series.
BS test series.
BS position.
BS version
What RDS?
units.
RDS 2.
And remember, మన data row version units స్టాండర్డ్స్ చూడండి. So same we will take it as a BS STRESC and convert that into numerical change and take the STRESS and you take the same units as STRESC. Okay, and visit we have a TPT, BS TPT, TPT and TPT num, and then we are going to have a TT, TM, take it as a BS TTC, and go back to the TM domain, get the RFS TTC, generate the BS TY. Can you do this one? So the vital signs, so what is the possible interview question that you are going to get? What are the parameters or the codes we can find in vital signs? So you need to tell what are the possible test codes that we have. CIS-BP, DIA-BP, respiration, temperature, height, weight, pulse, respiration, and BMI. Generally, BMI we don't collect the information, we derive that one. Height, weight, BMI మనం చేస్తుంటాం. BMI ఈ స్టైల్లో వచ్చిందా derive చేశారు అడుగుతారు. And you should say, and we have derived the calculation of height and weight. There is a formula, by using the formula, we are going to derive the BMI. If you have height and weight, by interpreting the height and weight value in the formula, we can derive BMI. Sometimes they are going to ask you, what is the units for BMI ಅడుగుತಾರೆ. kg per meter square. They want to test you whether you know the vital signs or not. If they ask you, what is the measurement for the units for BMI only? kg per
meter square.
What is the unit for systolic and diastolic? Units
Number of explain.
Absolutely. Can you do this one, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the only complication that we have is BLSL, baseline flag and derivation flag. And I will show you how to do the baseline derivation flag in tomorrow's class, because tomorrow we are going to see the most important domain of all the stadium, which is LV domain. And we will see that LV, we will write the code for LV. So if you write the code for LV, you can write the code for easy and vital signs. Please try easy and vital signs. Tomorrow I will write the code for LV. We'll discuss first LV and then we'll write the code for LV. So that LV is going to be everything. Reference that is any findings on it. Clear, everybody? To be frank, when it comes to SDM programming domains point of view, by tomorrow we are going to finish it. Right? So because in the findings, we are keeping 3 years experience. What are all the domains that we have seen so far? Plus, in findings, we are going to keep these 3 domains. What are the 3 domains that we have? EX,
And LV.
So with this, these will be around 10 domains, right? 10 domains, sir? Programming is important. Right? We discussed theoretically all the domains, so but when it comes to the programming and importance point of view, because you over 3 years, 30 domains, they don't believe. Last week, one of our students attended as a fresher interview, and she put this 10 domains. The question, did you do all the 10 domains in your internship? No, you will not do it. If you keep 6 months internship, you need to please do 4 domains. Okay? So, but keep all the important domains, sir. First, you give the priority for the DM. Next priority, give the CM. Next priority for AE, then LB. తర్వాత వైటల్ సైన్స్ పెట్టండి, తర్వాత ఈజీ పెట్టండి, తర్వాత ఈఎక్స్ ఈజీ పెట్టండి, ఇది ఆటలో పెట్టండి. ఇంకా ఛాన్స్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు క్లినికల్ ఈవెంట్స్ పెట్టండి. ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కావాలనుకోండి, డిస్పోజిషన్ పెట్టండి. ఇంకా మీకు ఎక్స్పోజర్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇంకా ఛాన్స్ ఉందనుకోండి, మెడికల్ హిస్టరీ పెట్టండి. నేను ఎంత పెట్టి 10, 11. It's a protocol deviation call. This is for 3 years. And దీంతో ఏం పెడతారండి? ఇప్పుడు తర్వాత చెప్తాను. దీంతో ఏం చేస్తారంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్, సబ్జెక్ట్ విధి చూడండి. ఇది తర్వాత 3 years పెట్టవాలి. అది మోస్ట్ డిఫికల్ట్ 2 domains అన్నమాట. సబ్జెక్ట్ తర్వాత మనకి ఏం వచ్చండి?
Knowledge and file design models.
మీరు ఒక్క domain పెట్టాలి మీరు ఏ domain పెడతారు? DM పెట్టండి. 2 పెడతాం అనుకోండి, DM ప్లస్ CM పెట్టండి. 3 పెడతాం అనుకోండి, A పెట్టండి. 4 పెడతాం అనుకోండి, L పెట్టండి. ఒక ఫ్రెషర్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నారు, 6 months పెడతాం అనుకోండి, ఈ 5 domains పెట్టండి. అలా you must be sure 100 about the 5. అప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ domain పెట్టండి. అది కూడా వచ్చేసిన నెక్స్ట్ domain బట్ వాట్ ఆర్ యు హావ్ ఇన్ యువర్ రెజ్యూమే యు షుడ్ నో. మీ దీని రెజ్యూమే ఏం ఉండకూడదు. Everybody? How your SAS practice is going? You're practicing SAS also, right? Base and advanced SAS?
Yes, sir.
Don't neglect that one. If you focus only on the project, you'll forget about the base and advanced SAS. You should be careful. Now, if you want to put your resume as a fresher, if you want to go with only a SDM, by the end of this week, you can put up your resume. You can upload your resume as an SDM program. I will tell you where and how. So, but if you want to put Adams and TLS also, you should wait for some more time. But if you want to go as a fresher, by this end of this week, you can prepare your resume and you can start uploading your resume. Okay? To be frank, clinical point, I want to know. కానీ మనకి ఎంత కావాలో అంత తీసుకుని వాళ్ళు లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఎందుకంటే some of you want to have 6 months experience, some of you want to have 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Depends upon our requirement. We have to stop somewhere. Understand what I'm saying? Okay then. See you in tomorrow's class.
से कुंपन करके दे पैसे
यार तो भी करके लाई थी 700 मैं डाली थी उसको
तू का अंडी जो
तू अंकुर
अजी मम्मी ऐसा कौन सी मम्मी
क्या हुआ चलो उनकी तरफ से नाचे का
घर के अंदर पानी नहीं
क्या दाल साफ करके और दोस्त सदा में खा जल्दी बता ये टेलीविजन और नॉट उसके पैसे मैं दी तेरे अंकुर बिंगुर सिकंदर मैं कॉलेज कर रही हूँ
गई अगर अरे मम्मी अगे लोचली काही तू अगे तेल की खलीज बोआली के पुदीने की चटनी की अगे तेरी माँ की मैं और एक लेतो मला तो नको पैसे वेस्ट बोल अच्छा
नहीं चला तो 2 दिन भी नहीं चला तो क्या
अच्छा दाल
उसके पैसे मैं इस बनी मम्मी से 700 रुपए बनी मम्मी मैं उसको मम्मी दे दियो बोलो तुम क्या करते थे घर में मम्मी दे दियो बोलो ना हमें क्या करते
अभी पूरा पुदीने की चटनी की बोआली सिर में हाथ धो के सिर पोछी अच्छा ना लो देखते रहते
ए हॉस्पिटल में मरीजों का है वो गलीज
और बिहार तनु जी की शिफ्ट में निकल तो बिहार के साथ कौन सा चीज है तो बालों में बोआली सुनो बहुत सुनो